Okay students, in this class we will study distance between the nearest neighbor and radius of the atom. Radius of atom in FCC. Okay, the distance between nearest neighbor and radius of atom in FCC. We know that FCC is a unit cell in which atoms are present at all corners of the unit cell and also present at the center of the each face. Okay, suppose this is the unit cells. And these are the 8 corners, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners of the unit cells and atoms are present at each corner of the unit cell and also present at the center of the each face of the cube or unit cells. This is one face. This is one face. This is second one. This is third one, and this is top one, fourth one. Okay, this is fifth one, and this is your sixth one, sixth face. So here we are only taking 3 spheres like this. One corner atom, one is at center of the this face, and another one is at this corner. This is the sphere present at this corner. This is the sphere or atoms present. You may call it as a sphere or atoms. For this corner, this atom is at this corner. This atom is present at this corner, and this atom is present at the center of the this face. Okay, we have to join this corner with this corner, then we will get a triangle, right angle triangle like this. Suppose this corner is A and this is B and this is C. So we are getting ABC triangle, and here we have to find the distance between two nearest atom. Here this atom and this atom are the nearest atom and neighbor atom. So the distance between these two nearest neighbor atom will be the AD. So D is the word middle point of the AC. So D is the word middle point of the AC. Okay, so here we can write here AD equal to D equal to distance between the nearest neighbor atom. Okay, so in triangle ABC, it is a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, in right angle triangle ABC, we know that AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, and here AB equal to, this is AB equal to A. A is what? A is the edge length of the cube. Similarly, all the edges length of all the edges of the cube is same, so that BC also A. So AB equal to AB square, this is equal to BC square, that means A square, this is equal to 2A square. That implies AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB equal to A, BC equal to A, so that AB square equal to A square, BC square equal to A square, this is equal to 2A square. That implies AC square equal to 2A square. Okay, that implies AC equal to root 2A, root 2A. So our structure of the FCC was like that. One atom was present at the center, one atom was here, and one atom is here. This is the A point, this is B point, this was your C point. Okay, from here to here, this is A, this was also A, and we got AC equal to root 2A. That means this point equal to root 2A. So your AC will be root 2A. Okay, so we know that D equal to AD equal to how much? AD. Suppose it is the D point. D is the center of the AC, so AD equal to DC. That means AD is what? AD is D. D is what? Distance between two nearest neighbor atom. So D equal to AD. AD will be how much? AD will be AC by 2. And we have calculated AC equal to root 2A. Root 2A by 2. That implies your D equal to A by root 2. A by root 2. 2 equal to root 2 into root 2. This is equal to root 2A. 2 equal to root 2 into root 2. And we got 1 root 2 above and 1 root 2 below. So A by root 2 is the D. So D is what? Distance between two nearest neighbor atom. This one and this one. So D equal to A by root 2. So finally we got the distance between two nearest neighbor atom equal to A by root 2. Okay. Now we have to find the radius of the atom. So what will be the radius of atom? Let radius of atom equal to R. Okay. So this is the FCC unit cells, and R equal to what? R equal to radius of atom. We have to find the radius of the atom. Here, this is the middle point of SC, D, and from here to here, this is the R, radius of the one atom. This is the from here to here. This is R, radius of this sphere, and from here to here, this is R, radius of the from here to here. This is the R, radius of this sphere, and from here to here, this is R, radius of the this sphere. And AD equal to how much? D, and AD also R plus R 2R. That means we got AD equal to R plus R equal to 2R, and also AD equal to D. D is the distance between the two nearest atom. Okay, that implies 2r equal to d. That implies r equal to d by 2. This is equal to half into d. This is equal to half into a by root 2, because we calculated d equal to a by root 2. So in place of d, we put the value of d a by root 2. That implies finally we got r equal to a by 2 root 2. So in FCC, d we got a by root 2 and r equal to a by 2 root 2. Okay.